One of those accessories that works really well for the 2.0 clip is our Tac-Table and shooting bag. We call this the top plate Tac-Table, and it has a stuffed filled shooting bag, and we fill that shooting bag with some of the shavings that we make these parts out of. All these parts are machined. They're not injection molded yet. So this whole setup weighs about a pound, and we like to use the 2.0 clip on this. It comes with the 2.0 clip. You're able to turn it on that 2.0 clip, but that 2.0 clip allows you to lock in solid so that there's not a lot of movement between this connection and the head. So if we set this up on our spotter here and we lock that in, and now we're set up to where we can lay our gun in here and we can move it this way, we can move it this way. There's a little bit of tension in that connection there, which is adjustable, but you can lay your gun in here and have a nice shooting bag set up that lays in here, and it's a solid setup to be able to take a shot from. Now normally when you're standing up, you're probably not going to shoot more than 300 yards in a standing position without additional support on you, whether it's another stick under the back of your gun. But for the most part, this is how the Tac-Table works. It has a side mount right here so that you can mount an accessory like a rangefinder or a cell phone mount. That little side mount is a 1/4 so you can put a bolt in it to put a stud, to make a stud on the top to be able to thread on an accessory, but you can have a mount both ways. We leave it with a threaded insert so you can mount underneath or above instead of just one way or the other. So you could actually have a mount above for a spotter, an extra little spotter, or a camera, when you can put a rangefinder below it. It's just a Tac-Table mount, so you can have an accessory on each side. The bag is removable off of the top of the plate. You can unhook it off of here and remove it from these bungees right here. They unhook. Sometimes you need a little pick to get it on and off of there, but you can get this bag off of here if you want to use a different bag, or if you just want to use the plate itself for anything, you can do it like that. I'll show you one thing up close. There's a stud underneath there that sticks up out of there, so you can take the bag off and you can actually thread on another spotter on top of the Tac-Table and put the bag on the bench to use at a shooting range, so you can have the spotter on your Tac-Table with your rangefinder, and then you can use the bag for your shooting bench. So another accessory that we sell is a V-yoke. This is a common setup for shooting, and the V-yoke comes with a standard rally clip. You don't need the 2.0 rally clip for the V-yoke because you're really not putting any pressure on this. This is just a simple rest for your gun. The V-yoke can spin like this. It has the ability to twist on top of there. When you tighten that back down on there, it tightens on there tight. So when you buy one of these, you get another rally clip, a standard rally clip with it. It works the same going on and off, to where you line it up like this and you clip it, and now you have your V-yoke on here where you can spin this around, lock it in, lay your gun in here and shoot. And that's a common setup, very common setup. So if you're looking for a V-yoke to go with your tripod, check out the V-yoke on the accessories page or the peripherals page on the website, and you'll be able to find these and add it to your cart if you're looking for that. Same thing with the Tac-Table. You can look at the Tac-Table on the website a little bit more, get a little more detail on that. It's under the top plate Tac-Table page on the website.